Before we get into what is Sleekflow and how to use Sleekflow step by step, let me ask you something. How many platforms do you think the average business is juggling right now? You have WhatsApp, TikTok, live chat, email, and also Instagram. It adds up fast. Now, here's the real problem. Studies show it can take anything from between 7 to 20 touch points before someone actually becomes a customer. So imagine trying to manage all of that yourself manually. That's exactly where Sleekflow comes in. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you what Sleekflow is, how to use it step by step, so you can automate your communication and save hours every single week. So first, what is Sleekflow? Sleekflow is an omnichannel communication platform that allows you to manage your customer conversations from one single dashboard. By the way, this is how the inbox will look. From here, you'll be able to monitor conversations, for example, from WhatsApp Business, Instagram DM, email, and website chat. You can centralize everything into one unified inbox. So whether it is Facebook Messenger, for example, or on your website chat, you'll be able to monitor it. Sleekflow also lets you automate replies using AI, build chatbots, track customer interactions, and improve your overall customer experience. So whether you're running an online store, a service business, or even a small startup, Sleekflow helps you respond faster and convert more customers. Now, if you want to follow along with me, I've included a link in the description and pinned comment where you can try Sleekflow. You can start for free, and if you decide to upgrade later, it also helps to support the channel. So I appreciate that. Now, how to use Sleekflow? Alright, now let's get into the most important part, how to use Sleekflow. The first thing you want to do, once on the home page, you're going to tap on Start for Free. After you have selected Start for Free, you'll be prompted to sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on the dashboard, the first thing I want you to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to tap the icon that says Channels right here that looks like an antenna. After tapping on Channels, you can see different options that you can connect. For example, you can connect your WhatsApp business, Facebook Messenger, SMS, WeChat, Line, Telegram, Viber, and also Instagram and TikTok business. You have numerous options. You also have the AI growth widget. So you have different options that you can choose from. So for example, let's say you would like to connect Facebook Messenger. You can simply select Facebook Messenger. Then after doing that, you're going to tap on Connect. Once you have done that, you will tap on Connect right here, and it is going to redirect you to your Facebook page, and from there you're just going to tap on Connect. Now, if it is a case that you would like the widget to appear on your website like it does on mine right here, all you need to do is, once here, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select AI Growth Widget. After you have selected AI Growth Widget, you can quickly choose to connect it. So you can see how mine looks right there. You'll be able to upload a logo. You can also scroll down and change the chat widget name and so on, and you'll be able to view it. Then once you're finished, you're just going to tap on Install Widget to Website, and that's it. Once it is installed, all you need to do now is set up the widget. And by the way, if you're planning to use, for example, Shopify, what I would do is you'll simply go onto Shopify, go over to the left-hand menu option, select Online Store. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to the Themes page. You're going to tap on the three dots. After selecting the three dots, you're just going to select Edit Code. Then it is going to carry you to the code page. Once it has carried you to the Edit Code page, all you'll need to do now is simply paste in the code that you'll be copying from Sleekflow. So you'll select Theme Liquid. After you have selected Theme Liquid, you're just going to scroll to the bottom of the page, and you'll simply paste in the Sleekflow code as you can see right here and tap on Save. Once you have done that, you're going to realize that the icon now appears on your website as you can see right here. So that's how you'll be able to set it up. It's quite straightforward and easy. After you have set it up, the next thing you'll need to do is set up your AI agent. So you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Sleekflow AI. Once you have selected Sleekflow AI, you're going to tap on Create AI Agent. Then from there, you have different options. You have Sales Assistant, as you can see right here, Restaurant Booking Assistant, You have numerous options, lead qualification and intake, and also help and information. The one that I had chosen was customer support assistant, but it all depends on your particular need. You can select whichever one of these options. So let's say I were to select this one once more. After you have selected it, you're just going to tap on create. Once you have selected create, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on manage knowledge. After selecting manage knowledge, you're going to tap on the plus, and this is where you'll be able to upload a knowledge base file. So for example, you can upload a knowledge base file that will talk about all of the services or so on that you offer, and this information is what is going to be used to train the AI agent. Another option that you could also do is you could tap on index web pages and you could put in your page URL. For example, you could add in your FAQ page and so on, so that the AI agent will be able to crawl the FAQ page so that it can automatically answer customer questions. You can also add in your product page, or you could simply add in your website URL and it will scan your entire website so that it has knowledge of all of the products and services that you offer. So it will be able to crawl it, and your chatbot can now start answering questions 24/7. So that is where you'll be able to add in your knowledge base. Once you have added in your knowledge base, you'll simply scroll down. There you can also edit the response style and pacing, as you can see right here. You can quickly customize it to your liking, or you can leave it as is. But you won't see deploy come up until you edit the actions, as you can see right here. So you can see action use once the user confirms they're satisfied. You will tap on add label and you can see different labels that you can choose from. The one that I normally use is new customer. You have different labels that you can choose from. And scrolling down, you're going to tap right here on add label. And again, you're going to select a label right there. Once you have selected both labels, you're going to tap on deploy and it will automatically be deployed. And from there, you'll now have your agent available. Once that is set up and running, you'll be able to monitor everything from the unified inbox. By going over to the top left hand corner, you can select inbox. From here, you will be able to monitor all of the chats, whether it be website chat or whether it be, for example, social media chat. You'll be able to monitor it right here. Now, let's say, for example, I were to go onto the website. If I were to tap on the chat widget right here, then tap on back to conversation, you can see the conversation that we were having earlier. Is the soap okay to use if I have eczema? And you can see that it quickly answered. Now, if I were to ask, is it okay for sensitive skin? After adding the question, you'll just give it a few seconds and then you're going to see that AI agent will automatically answer. And it's as easy as that when it comes onto Sleekflow. So just to recap, Sleekflow helps you save time, respond faster, and also improve customer experience and ultimately increase conversions, because speed equals money in online business. And you can see right there what I'm talking about. If you want to streamline your business communication, go ahead and check it out. Now, if you want to streamline your business communication, go ahead and check out Sleekflow using the link in the description. Test it out for yourself and see how much time you can save. If you want more videos like this, showing you the tools that can help you grow your business faster, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments what tools you want me to break down next. Thanks for watching.